Hello, students. Welcome to class. Today is one of those days where I grab my camera and I film what I see on Instagram. Instagram is a dark place for me because I follow a lot of animal defenders there. And so I see so much suffering. Now you could say, Miss KADIE, why do you go there? Why do you follow these accounts if it makes you sad? And the reason that I do is because I must not be afraid to see what goes on in the world, to see the kind of people that I live among. What we're looking at here is a Florida beach. There's a woman filming a scene. The scene is that of two young men and a baby shark, or a small shark at any rate. And the shark is on the beach, dying slowly, unable to survive outside of the water. And the woman asks, she says, can you please leave the shark alone? Pull the shark back into the water. And the young men are enjoying pulling the shark even further away from the shore. They're enjoying watching the slow, painful death of this innocent being who never did a single thing wrong to them, ever. Sharks live in the ocean. That's their home. They do what they've been doing for years. They can't control themselves. When they eat for food, it's like a mechanical thing. We humans can choose the moral high ground. We don't have to eat animals, and so we can choose to be compassionate. We have moral agency. Sharks don't. This shark did not deserve to be harmed. Now, the woman that we're looking at here behind the camera is saying to them, I'm not vegetarian. So how is she any better than them? They pull the shark out of the water and they take a knife into the innocent animal. She's saying, please do not do anything. Please do not do anything. Why are you doing that? She's saying, are you fucking insane? Honestly. They're saying, it's natural. There's nothing natural about torture. And now it's going in a circle. This is how it starts. She says she's not a vegetarian. I don't know why she's saying that. Meaning that she pays other people to do the same thing to pigs and cows and chickens and lambs, but then she calls them insane. Everyone here is in the wrong.
Please do not do anything to her.
But she's a little bit in control of her thinking in a way because she's asking, please don't do that. She probably doesn't realize what's going on. This is so horrific. It is so disgusting what we do to animals. If this ever happens, have the courage to stand up to the bullies, yell, scream, and say it's wrong. Look at them posing as if they're some sort of heroes. In my view, when we have evidence of animal abuse, these people should be prosecuted in the same way as if this was a child. This animal is defenseless, just like a child. These people should be put into prison. We should be allowed to physically stop them. We should be expected to, in the same way as if this was a child. This is a sentient being who just wants to live, and they are torturing this poor sweetheart for no reason. I know that there are many of you who know that this is wrong, just like the woman filming, but please remember that you are also part of the problem if you eat animals. I found this on Rob Banks' site, and he writes, "I'm absolutely disgusted right now. It's these acts of cruelty that make me despise humanity." And I agree with him. It's scary to know that we share a planet with such horrible people. There are 843 comments. The Save Movement writes, "Why are some humans like this? Absolutely devastating and senseless." Other people are giving a phone number that you can call. If you are reading this and want to call and help, feel free to take a screenshot right now. Somebody else writes, "Man, this just ruined my day. I couldn't even finish watching it." Jesus Christ, I can't even finish watching this. But people who abuse and slaughter animals nearly always abuse and slaughter human beings. Every single mass shooter harmed animals before people, but these two psychopaths on the FBI's watch list ASAP. That's what they're saying that we should do, is put them on the watch list. I agree. I want to thank everybody for being here, who is kind to animals, who is brave enough to face the truth and to be vegan. Many of us have seen so much suffering from so many different animals in every possible combination and way, and it never gets easy. Somebody says that they would drop the camera and go for the fight. But you never know who you're dealing with. I'd absolutely go nuts if I was there, says this person, and I know that I would too. I would be screaming, and I would be trying to grab the shark by the tail and bring the shark back, and I would be fighting these people off. Those evil humans are more dangerous. No way could anyone just film that. I would go save the shark. Nobody in their right mind would seriously just stand back and watch that. Somebody else says they're more frustrated with the woman filming. When you see evil, you must rise up against it as best as you can. It's okay and normal to scream and to freak out and cause a scene. It is not normal to just film calmly. It just isn't. Just saw this. It's sickening what the human race can do. I despise these kind of humans, and you're right. We share a planet with these types of people. Some humans spread like cancer on our planet. I have no words, just hate. Why would someone do this and then laugh about it? I feel so sick to my stomach. I can't understand the pure ignorance, stupidity, and cruelty. I'm outraged. Thankfully, there are other kind people in the world who are as outraged. can't take this. I hate them. I want them brought to justice. The poor shark. Imagine you being underwater for as long as that shark was out of water and then being stabbed while you're at it. This is so shameful, and precisely why I would not miss most humans if they vanished off the earth. This is an animal defender saying this. Thank you for being here, everyone. Thank you for subscribing to this channel if you feel like we do, that the animals need protection. Please like and subscribe and comment if this has touched you in any way. If you want to see more of my videos in the future, press the notification bell. Help us get the animals out of hell. Thank you.